Welcome to my YouTube channel, All About Money. At this time, I'm going to introduce principle number 5 from my book, Principles on How to Earn Money. So we have gone through principle number 1, principle number 2, principle number 3, then principle number 4, and today we are looking at principle number 5. So principle number 5, it's simple like all the other principles that we have been going through. This principle number 5 is learn from people who are earning money. Learn from people who are earning money. If you want to earn money, you have to learn from people who are already earning money. So this is the principle we are going to look at today. So I will read a part from my book, Principles on How to Earn Money, to you so that you also learn how to earn money through this principle. So it goes on like this. If you want to earn money, learn to learn from other people. Learning from people who are earning money is essential because they have already gone through the process and they have gained a valuable experience. They know what works and what doesn't. They can share their knowledge with you. By learning from them, you can avoid making the same mistakes they made and shortcut your path to earning money. There are many people who can teach you how to earn money. It's up to you to take advantage of them. Learning from people who are earning money is a powerful principle for earning money. Make it a habit to learn something new every day about how to make money from those who are already earning money, and you will be on your way to earning money. Learn from other people and earn like them. So this is principle number 5 for you. Thank you for watching, and remember, it's all about money. I will be happy if you comment, like, and of course if you subscribe. Thank you again. See you on another video when I'll be dropping principle number 6.